Here we are again, BMW. So see it? You know it's BMW, but here we are changing windscreen wiper motor. So that's the motor in there. We just took off the arms, and we have to take off these stress bars here a bit because we're going to be oiling up the little joints and so on. So we're going to take it off. We're going to deal with it. Get some of our parts on the ground here, and we leave this side stuff on this side. And of course we're going to do an engine wash. This engine is pretty dirty. We're going to clean and shine this engine for you, so watch out. Back up. A matter of fact, let me do this the right way. I make sure the wipers working. So we have the fancy keys here, and then we're gonna go up, and then we're gonna pull the wiper. Oh my goodness me, wiper wipe. What? Alright, so nice. So as we can see, that part is done, and we are fully mounted to the old motor here. Fully mount back up. But now we're going to shine down this engine. Now if you take a look at it, look at this engine, it's pretty dirty. What we're going to show you, this is the before. Hold on for the after. But don't go nowhere. Keep tuned. Alright, nice. Bye.